Creating a standardized video project folder is going to help you tremendously in the future, and anybody else is going to be working in the same project. I'm going to show you a free software that's going to help you organize your video editing projects. This does work with both Mac and Windows, and it's not just for DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. You can actually use this for anything. So if you have other projects you need to stay organized in, you're going to find some awesome ways to use the software. And the software is Post Haste. Like I said, it's free to download. You don't even need to make a login for this. You just download it straight to your computer. I'm going to hop in and show you how to actually get it set up. So here we are inside Post Haste. And when you first open it, this may not look identical to what I have, but I went up into my preferences, up here in edit and preferences, and within here you can change your template location, and this is where you can store your folder structures for all the new projects that it creates. So if you read dates a certain way, you can change that here. The way I have it written is year, month, then day. This way, whenever I'm looking through a long string of projects, it's easy just to see the very last thing based on the day, the month and day that it is, so it's easier to find. And it's important to have a separator character, so I just have an underscore right there. So each time there's a space, it's actually going to be made with an underscore just to keep everything simple. And now we have our parameters. So in here we have project number. I just have it starting at 0001. And you can check what things that you want to save. So it'll save a history of every time you make a new project number. It's going to update that for you. You don't have to go and change that. And most of this I did leave as default. The main thing I added in here was just having a project name spot and a client spot. After getting all the parameters set up, we go into templates. Now, it will have some templates in here already made for you. It'll have something like photography, even video editing, but primarily with video editing, I'm not a Premiere guy. I'm a DaVinci guy, and I have my own folder structure. So as you can see here, this is my past folder structure, and I made a new one. So I'm going to show you how to import that. You simply just hit add down here at the bottom, and we can title that. I will go in here, edit that, video editing template 2023. And now there's nothing. What you do is come down here and hit add, and you have a list of all the pre-made project folder structures in here, but I have my own. So I'm going to import that by coming down to the very bottom and import folder structure. And I'll just navigate to where I have this. I have it right here on my external hard drive, video project template. I'm going to click that and okay. Boom, brought everything in here. Feel free to copy my folder structure here. I have projects. I do have After Effects. Sometimes I need it. Same with Blender for 3D, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro. Sometimes I need that. And then obviously footage. I have everything broken down. So I have other. That's just any footage, usually something like if a client gives me some footage to work with and it doesn't really have a place for it, I'll stick it in there. Raw, this is all the cameras that I own. So I just made a folder for everything. That way it's simple to find and I know where it is. Screen caps, which is like what you're seeing here. My screen recordings are going to go in there. Stock footage. And then we have audio, music, sound effects, voiceover if I have it. Graphics folder for images, logos, motion graphics, thumbnails, documents, any document that might have to deal with the project. So this is where I put my video proxies in. And then exports of a final and review folder. It's not just folder structures that will be added into this. You can actually add files themselves. So I'm going to add my DaVinci Resolve template project. So I'll select my DaVinci Resolve folder, go into add, and import files. And I'll go back to the template. And under projects, DaVinci Resolve, here it is, my video template. And I'll hit open. That dropped in my DaVinci Resolve template file. And just so I don't get confused, I'm going to go down and remove my old template. I'm gonna walk you through making a brand new project folder right inside Post Haste. It's already put in my new number, it's 15, date, that's today's date, and project name, this is going to be Post Haste Tutorial, and client, cinematography, because it's for my YouTube channel. So I'll just leave that and I'll come down to create project and I'll just look for the location I want it to go in. So put it right in my external hard drive and okay. Give it a second, it's gonna load everything in. After you create the project, it's going to open up your Explorer window and it'll show you the brand new, beautiful, structured project folder that it created for you. One of the awesome things about this is, you know that file that we added in of the DaVinci template? If we go in there and look at that, it retitles it for you the exact same title as the folder itself. That way when you go and actually open this up, it doesn't start with just template. It actually renames it for you. And it does this for all the files that you have. It'll be titled what you have set up in your parameters originally in the preferences of Post Haste. I know for one, this helped me stay productive and organized going through making projects since the last year or so, actually, when I first found out about this. And I know it's going to help you guys as well. Like I said, it's free. I'm not affiliated in any sort of way. Go ahead, click the link, download this. I know you won't regret it. If you found value in this video and you want to learn more about videos in general and this whole world of video creation, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out this video that the algorithm thinks that you'll like to watch next.